Merry Christmas, everybody. I just wanted to reach out to all the people out there, all my subscribers, and say, you know what, thank you for a great year. Merry Christmas to you all. Hope, Santa is good to you. Hope you spend some good time with the friends and family this year. When I started this channel about 11 months ago, almost a year ago, I was told, don't do it. People are brutal, they're mean. You're going to get comments that are not nice. Well, you know what? They're wrong, because I have had nothing but the kindest, nicest people. I've actually made friends with a few people from my YouTube channel. I've had guys over the house that met me on the YouTube channel to see the car. So, you know what? It's wrong. A lot of great people out there. Appreciate it. So I just wanted to reach out, tell people Merry Christmas, and, appreciate everything you guys do. I love the comments. The comments are amazing. I mean, I love trying to help out, and some of the great suggestions on how to change things, make it better. Love them. Keep them coming. So, oh, and by the way, my buddy got me this shirt. I don't know where he got it, but it is a cool shirt. He also got me this. So very cool. So, thank you to my friend out there. He knows who he is. So appreciate it, everybody. Just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas. I was going to do track day on the 26th, day after Christmas. The weather's looking pretty bad, so I don't think it's going to happen, because my goal for next year videos is going to be a lot more action videos, a lot more driving, track, autocross once the season kicks off. The build's pretty much done other than paint. I got some other videos, interior, things like that I'll throw up. And then tweaking things, making the car better here and there. But for the most part, she's ready to go. I also got to clean up the engine compartment. I got to somehow make that engine look nicer. Haven't figured out how I'm going to do it yet, but I'll work on that. At least it's drivable now. So we're due have a tentative track date for January 2nd or 3rd, I believe. So hopefully the weather holds and I can throw that video up. So that's going to be some good action episode. Probably better than building, but we'll see. So thanks again. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you on the next video of the Cobra Daytona build. Thanks.